Have you seen it on the surface yet? Go on. Is that common? Ew! It's got big old shoulders in it. What has a big chunk in it? That's a fucking fish and a half. Is that a pop-up or what?
Bottom bait tucked to a small white pop-up.
Soaked.
I really should be getting another rod out there before I when you do that, I'll just stick it and sling them out. I want to get that rod back out. Oh, that's heavy. A bit of weight to it.
Well done, mate.
What a take as well.
Good timing as well. It left you a bit asleep then, eh?
What time is it?
I don't know.
I think you asked me that, but I was just...
I'm thinking 5, half 5. If that.
Paul right 4.
I'll check just now. 20 to 6.
Sorry?
20 to 6. Alright.
This is good for this anyway, but I'll wait again.
Good shout.
27.
£27.
Sack it up and then anyway, I get myself sorted.
Very calm. Lens clean. I just want to take the loads, okay?
Okay. Take some to that side as well,
yeah.
The spot on the middle.
Take. You can delete all these. I normally just get somebody to just keep taking.
Can you see it across the back, isn't it?
Some power in it, innit?
See where they just find themselves through the weed. It's
Aye.
not wrong.
Well done, mate. I don't know, maybe the other one was maybe longer.
It was. This is a shorter fish.
Aye.
Logan. Like coconut pop-ups?
No.
No. So tell them there. Secret squirrel.
Is that what you call people, secret squirrels?
That's not Davy's interested in. 23.
Is it?
No, yeah. Oh no, aye, 22. Aye, 22. Just over. Move it, no. You don't see when you hold your scales like you don't get to reading by
Aye.
you don't hold them. Aye.
I think that's a lot of shite, to be honest, because
No.
I've tried it both ways and you get the same.
Yeah.
I've got a waist bar and I don't use it anymore.
You get a different reading. So you get a different reading.
I'd go with a bigger one.
No.
I've tried it
22.
both ways.
22, that's
Aye.
it's actually over the 22 when you
Was
were
it?
doing it the first time.
I've tried it, I've got the top weight bar there, and I've stopped using it, because it just more to rattle about. Morgan.
Tracking on it.
Aye,
Nah, he just wanted back straight away, him, didn't he?
bit of coated braid link. It's a soft, it's a semi-stiff link. Start off with get a swivel. Oh.
When was that?
Might need to stop in a minute.
Oh no.
Just
I
a wee-
reckon it's your middle one.
Just a wee figure of 8. Look. Just
If you look at the number of goals that will be scored and the number of draws and that,
And do you twist it? You twist that there as well, don't you?
Yeah. Just to make a figure eight. Look not.
Mm.
So there we go, there's a nice wee neat figure eight. Do it nice and tight. Trim your tag end. Trim your tag end down. That's that, nice and neat. Nice strong knot. This is the boom section.
Mm-hmm.
So, kind of 6-inch boom section, probably.
It was the one guy that provided the only instant looked remotely Brazilian with that free kick. Against Colombia. For me though, I want a centre half to first and foremost defend. Yeah. You can pass the marshal a defence. They were just and that's what Thiago Silva did. Missing in the back.
There's the boom section.
Right.
Deserved to be handed the cup just now because see for instance in their semi-final against Brazil, there was no thoughts in them as Germany have been almost criticised from the past. I think the games they need to shutting up short. They could have been an argument there, particularly let's say there's only a chance of a wee comeback maybe, but when
size
it got 3, let's say 3 now. That was it. Game over. But there was no hint of them sitting back, reserving their
sharp
energy
hook.
for the final. There was bringing on subs just to give guys
Got the tripwire filament, £15. That's a forming stuff. Part of the rig.
The cup on the basis of the, well, as a country, but any football team,
So, just tie your
had given the Scottish Cup to Aberdeen, let's be honest, hadn't they?
stand up.
Through the back of the hook or through under? Oh, you're just doing the hair? Knotless knot?
No, won't go here. I'm not tying a hair in this. We're going to do a BD thing on this.
Alright.
I think the thing with Argentina is about Messi. Now, he's no the World Cup like we thought he would, but he might. He's capable of doing that. Yeah. And if he gets up these nights and it happens, it's a
Back
bit
through
like Neymar with Brazil not having him, they kind of like became a teammate.
Form your knotless knot.
Mm-hmm.
Also, lads,
Right.
and what DVD is
Yep.
arriving tonight? Well, the 3rd and 4th place playoff, and I'll be watching it. I'll be in the pub selling my resale.
What size pop-up you using?
It's
16mm?
15 or something like that.
15, right. Make it nice and easy if you're going to change routes to do it quickly. Use one of these wee things. If I can open it.
Wee screw in stopper type thing. Would that work with the fishy ones as well, just screw in as well?
Yeah,
Aye.
it should work with everything. I know it doesn't work where I've got pop-ups there, but I can't put it in because it will split them.
Oh, I get you now and back through. And is this where you melt it?
Yeah.
Oh, I get you. Brilliant.
So there you go, that's the D-ring. And what we do is we bob this tag in. Stop it coming back through the eye.
When I reached my journey's end, I told the tire rental guys, and they told me that a German tourist had been killed by a buffalo in the river 3 weeks before. It's funny how he never mentioned that before I read it. That's about like me, mind it, and it has. Again, called Shiver, man, think about it. The New Orleans, the wee boat that you get on a wee tour down there, down the water's kind of mixed up in the water. I know you're on this wee boat, seeing the sights and all that, just a wee boat chugging down one of the big fan things in the back, and they're giving you marshmallows.
Put a curve in it.
Put a curve in it to make it more aggressive. Should be good.
Is that with the bend of the hook?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So as it sits.
Aye.
Like that. There you go.
Cool.
It's attached to the boom section.
This
To the
is
swivel.
short, isn't it?
That died 3 weeks earlier. Morally, should they have? Morally, yes. Morally,
So what we'll do is a wee 2-ton flood net.
If a German tourist was robbed in your pub, would you tell
One,
them? Hey, come up to the festival, guys.
2.
Locals only. You've seen that metal detectors there. That scene in Train Spot where the tourist wanders in. Oh, I'd be saying, let's do it. Hi, we're here. Come in here and get your seat booked. Right, from Greg Aitken, remember it was a fun fair 11 is up to you. Get him in, get half an hour.
2-ton flood net.
And that holds, aye?
Questions from Paul Kane, any questions
Solid.
from Michael Stewart?
It's only 2 tons because it's so stiff, but not.
Oh, I won't ping it.
And the most dangerous
There
thing
you
you've
go,
ever
that's-
done on the players. I'll chuck
It was
these
going
names
to
at you.
pull there at the pool.
See who's quickest in with these. I'll start you
Turn
with...
the tag end off again.
That's for Greg Aitken, who's in Zborn
Try and leave
in
the
Czech Republic.
swivel so it'll still
Previously
turn.
Why?
campsite. Thank you for that, Greg.
Mhm.
We got right.
That still turns, so it gives you a 360-degree turn.
Instant quickly. Peter Van Bossen.
Plus you've got that movement in the ring,
That was Andrew Lorry.
so there's a lot of movement
Bit
in
of
that.
freedom,
The
freedom.
fish picks it up,
Oh, the 9-3 game against England, yeah.
and then you just screw your pop up one. That's you, that's your rig.
And then just hook it on, that's it. Cool. And if my other one's already set up as well. Oh,
And then just a wee,
tidy.
and just to with a quick change swivel, you just hook it on,
Slide that
pull
up.
that up, and that's you ready to go. That'll sit in the water beautiful.
Perfect. That's the one pulley.
Sit nicely like that.
That's the one, that's it.
Pop up there, put it on just to slip through it in the water.
Just had a couple of liners there. One on the left hand rod, 20 minutes there on the right hand rod, which are 2 metres apart. Then back just there, another one on the left hand rod. There's definitely fish in the area. In the meantime, this is really good.